The Supreme Court is considering if states can ban trans athletes from playing on girls' sports teams consistent with their gender identity. The justices heard oral arguments today on a pair of cases from Idaho and West Virginia whose bans were ruled in the lower courts as discriminatory. This would allow the plaintiffs to play this season. ABC's Christian Cordero explains.
15-year-old Becky Pepper Jackson is a discus thrower, a high school student, and today a plaintiff in a first-of-its-kind Supreme Court case regarding trans girls in sports. Becky and her family live in West Virginia, where federal courts have blocked state laws that would ban trans girls like her from playing on girls' and women's teams.
She's actually not the biggest person on her team. There's people taller than her. There's people shorter than her. She's just an average female teenager.
In Becky's case, and in a separate one from Idaho, lower courts decided the bans discriminated on the basis of sex in violation of Title IX. Becky insists she lacks any physical or hormonal advantage because she never went through male puberty. The government today argued determining someone's eligibility through factors like hormone levels is impractical and incomplete, making its case that sex defined in Title IX is that assigned at birth.
And Title IX and equal protection should allow girls to have the safety and security of knowing that they're going to be safe in their spaces, they're going to be safe in their sports.
If the Supreme Court rules in favor of West Virginia, officials there tell ABC's Devin Dwyer trans girls like Becky would compete on the boys' teams, if at all.
What is the solution for student athletes like Becky? Is it to just have them play in the boys' league? Is that fair and safe for them?
Yes.
Why not just play with the boys' team?
Because it would go against who I am. I've been a girl forever, and playing on the guys' team is going backwards.
The Supreme Court is expected to rule by this summer. Christian Cordero, ABC News, Washington.
And back in 2022, Kentucky lawmakers passed a law that says a student's gender on their original birth certificate or their biological sex is used to determine athletic eligibility. Lawmakers overrode Governor Beshear's veto on the bill.